Hello folks, welcome to our Lean ISO channel. This is Mark. The previous video covered trends in quality objectives for a management review. If you missed it, check the link below. If you're new here, please subscribe so you're the first to see what's next. Stick with me because in the end, I'll show a link to the FMEA matrix that will help you improve your data analysis process. I'll also show you how you can get my ebook for free. Today, we're moving on to trends in process performance and the conformity of products and services. This may seem like a chore. We have multiple product lines, each with numerous operations. What do we measure and report? Let's take a look at an example to see how we determine what's important. Let's say we have a product line that includes receiving, staging, kitting, assembly with outsourced operations, final inspection, etc. What measurements in this block diagram are essential to report? Well, there are a few ways companies approach this. The first is obvious, right? Report everything. The result? An endless number of charts that make you dizzy. Besides this traditional method, there are a couple of other approaches. Remember when we discussed the element 6.1, addressing risks and opportunities? We used an FMEA to identify risks in a process. Why not use this method to decide what is critical and what is not? If you missed that video, check the link below. And don't forget to download a free copy of our FMEA matrix from our website. For example, this matrix identifies outsourced operations and final inspection as having the highest mitigated RPNs. These may be critical areas to report and investigate. Another method I sometimes see is skipping operations with known low failure rates. If we don't filter the data we report, we'll face an avalanche of charts that nobody remembers or understands. Regardless of your approach to reporting on process performance and product and service conformity, ensure your information is actionable. Let me explain. Typical data presents trends in the number of failures in incoming inspection, assembly, final inspection, etc. What can you do knowing that the first pass yield at the final inspection was 93, or that outsourced processes were 97% acceptable? Let me help you. Nothing. Most companies lack data that focuses on trends in the root causes of deficiencies. Let's compare. You have a failure trend by month and a trend by root causes. Which would you take? That's a rhetorical question. Nevertheless, I see these useless month-by-month trends all the time. At some point, the progression of an issue over time is definitely helpful for tracking improvement, but not as a starting point to tackle the problem. Let's wrap up with a few key tips. Illustrate processes using flowchart formats. Conduct and document FMEA analysis for your processes. Start with root cause, trending to identify areas for improvement. Summarize process performance over time to show progress. As always, check out the free resources on our website. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need help with your management system. Leave me a comment on how you format your process performance and conformity of products and services for management review below, and I will mail you a free link to my book. Please support our project by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thanks for watching, and until next time.